In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit a Google form and upload your screenshot. The first thing you do is you click on the link on the web page that says Google Form. Fill in your name. Choose your class. Just say I'm in 5RW. Pick which badge you've completed and click Next. And which badge did you complete? Fill in what you learned, and then you're going to add a file. Click on that. Select files from your device. Now remember, you save that to your desktop. I'm going to go here and click on my desktop. Find that file. This one's the one I want. Double click on it and upload. Now once I've finished filling this out, I hit submit and that will go to me and I'll get you your badge.